Hello guys, so for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Hoyo Fest. This is happening today until this week sa SM Mega Mall, sa activity area nila dito sa Fashion Soul Hall. So tingnan natin ngayon kung ano makikita natin.
Okay, so I have to admit na medyo malaki yung venue this year, and compared to last year where it was a little bit crowded, this has more moving or breathing space, which is really nice for attendees. And also there's a more livelier hosts, and the stage looks really nice compared to last year, so it's really eye candy, appealing to everybody's visiting. Itong nakikita nyo ngayon right now is yung pila para dun sa event or sa mga merchandise na nakikita nyo on the Facebook page. Medyo mahaba siya. No, actually, no, sorry. It's really, really long. Day 1 pa lang to. Let me show you what it looks like.
Okay, so nasa 5th floor na tayo. Dito yung dulo ng pila. Ayan. Ito yung dulo ng pila kay Kuya Guard. So, kung kukuha kayo ng merch, dito kayo pumila. And yes, inakin ko from 1st floor hanggang 5th floor. Buti na nag-ano ako. Spin class ako ng weekend. Alright, so let's go back down. Check pa natin yung makikita doon. So, ito yung mga merch.
So nakita nyo naman yung mga items. That are on sale sa Hoyo Fest. And you can also see na tumatanggap sila ng GCash. So what are you waiting for? Visit them, and yun lang, be ready for the pila and all that. Pero sulit naman yung mga merch. And now let's check the exhibits or the booths for Hoyo Fest 2024. This is Genshin Impact here, and people have lined up just to get a couple of freebies, which are really, really nice, by the way. Pumila din ako sa Honkai Star Rail booth. Medyo madaming tao dito. Mahaba rin yung pila. Pero manageable naman guys. So don't worry about it. Siguro took me around 10-15 minutes bago ako nakarating sa dulo. Pero it was all worth it. They have like 4 different activities that you can do sa booth. Each will give you different items or different products or goodies, so to speak. So, 15-30 minutes after nakarating na rin ako sa dulo, maganda naman yung crowd control nila. I got these items, so may postcard silang binigay. May balloon ni Pom-Pom. You just have to show them that you're following the Honkai Star Rail social media, either on Twitter or on Facebook. I just popped out my phone and then showed the Facebook that I've liked the page. Yun lang. Tapos binigay na nila yan. On the other side, when you go to the other side, meron din silang mga additional booths na you'll have to show your phone again na naka-follow ka, and you'll get like the postcard with the redeemable codes. Ticket style siya. So ayun, this year maganda din yung stage activities. Medyo marami rin tao nanonood. I got there, they were doing the Honkai Star Rail segment. Pero as you can see here, yung mga crowds, they actually went there, yung mga cosplayers and mga usual casual fans. They were all sitting down, watching, participating. Really nice vibes of the community. Lastly, ito yung Zenless Zone Zero na booth dito sa Hoyo Fest 2024. Medyo mahaba yung pila guys, pero you get the chance to test out or play the ZZZ game for a couple of minutes. And then syempre, you get also a couple of freebies like yung passes nga, yung rail pass, yung coupon, and really fun experience also. If you haven't played it, it's also available now. So they just dropped version 1.1. So you wanna check it out soon. Okay, that's it for this video. And again, Hoyo Fest 2024 is happening from August 12 to August 18 at the SM Mega Mall Fashion Hall. So see you there guys, and dala ng balatos of pasensya, okay? See you. Oh, last na. Like and subscribe for more videos for geek stuff, okay?